everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to share on how Rocky Bai would be killing Inayat Khalil in KGF Chapter 2, considering only the information we have on him so far. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Let's begin. As you have seen in KGF Chapter 1, Inayat Khalil from Dubai is one of the villains in the movie who is eagerly waiting to take over Bombay port from the hands of local Don Shetty. So to do that, he joins hands with Shetty's enemy Dilawar and sends gold to Nagpada port in Bombay. In the meantime, Dilawar wants to finish Shetty's gang completely and then take control of Nagpada port. Before that to happen, they had to capture and finish Rocky, who is the most notorious of them all in Shetty's gang, and they would also be successful in capturing him. Story takes a turn when they all realize that it was all part of Rocky's plan to bring every petty gangster under one roof and finish them all, and he handsomely delivers in his plan. Boats of Inayat Khalil, which were approaching the port, sees Dilawar getting butchered like a goat and takes a U-turn, thus failing on the plan to capture the port. This is all what we have of Inayat Khalil in chapter 1, and he doesn't show up until the end of the movie when Rocky slaughters Garuda and he gets the message. Now we all know that Rocky has taken over KGF at the end of chapter 1, and like millions of fans around the world, even I am eagerly waiting for chapter 2. Now let's come to the main point of this video. After KGF chapter 1, we had few posters from chapter 2 and KGF Times newspaper articles before they finally released the teaser of chapter 2. So let us try to break down what we have so far. First we had Rebuilding an Empire poster. Then we had the first KGF Times article released on 4th of Jan 2021. From then on, there was an article every single day. So let us see what could we find out in these articles. On 4th of January, we had a hero or a villain article. On 5th of January, we had what will Rocky choose, love or power article. On 6th, we had how did Adira survive? Okay. On 7th, we had the big release titled Who is the next on Rocky's hit list? So if you see this article closely, we have pictures of all the characters who could go against Rocky in chapter 2, and we could also see Garuda's picture striked out as Rocky has killed him already. Next in the list, we could see three main characters of KGF chapter 2 who played very small parts in chapter 1 without revealing their faces to the audience. If you see the picture carefully, you will notice that Inayat Khalil's picture is still not clear in this article. On 8th of January 2021, they released the official teaser on Yash's birthday, and in that teaser, we could see Inayat Khalil in one frame where he is standing inside a palace facing a window. Along with the teaser, we add another KGF Time article with the title Powerful People Make Places Powerful, which we heard for the first time in the teaser. Then on 9th Jan, we add another one with Where Does Rocky's Territory End? And on 10th, we add the final article How Will This End? So we would find that out only when the movie is released next year. After all this, they released another poster on 26th of January, which July 16th release date, which had to be cancelled because of COVID-19 second wave in India. On 31st May, they released another KGF Times article on the occasion of Balakrishna's birthday, the artist who portrayed Inayat Khalil. This is the first time we had couple of clear pictures of this character from the movie. And the article reads, sources say Inayat Khalil is celebrating his birthday today in an undisclosed location in India. This is one of the reasons we could say that Prashant Neel is a brilliant director. He has indirectly wished Balakrishna on his birthday and also revealed a plot from the movie which involves Inayat Khalil. That is, he visits India to take control of what he wanted until then. So, before I bring the important pieces together to show you how Rocky kills Inayat Khalil, there was one important scene from chapter 1 which we should remember. That is the monster scene. In this scene, Rocky goes to a pub to meet a supplier and to test his new M16 automatic machine gun on 20 gangsters. This scene is important for chapter 2 because this shows us that Rocky gets his hands on advanced weapons to take down his enemies. Now let me show you all three pictures. 1. Rocky entering a palace. 2. Inayat Khalil inside a palace. 3. Rocky's aggressive posture with his M16 automatic machine gun. So if you notice the first picture, you could see pillars which are in the second one where Inayat Khalil is standing. Okay. And in the third picture where Rocky is standing with his machine gun, you could see similar window in the background. So why is Rocky in an aggressive posture here? Is he going to kill Inayat Khalil in the scene? It is a possibility because Rocky and Inayat Khalil's rivalry goes back to Bombay to chapter 1. So, this is where Rocky could kill Inayat Khalil in chapter 2. Please share your comments on this video, like and subscribe to our channel for such interesting videos on various topics. Thank you. Bye.